recall also about the properties of equality. So we have 5 properties of equality. The first one is what we call the
reflexive property of equality.
Okay, reflexive property of equality state that A is equal to A. O parang humarap ka sa salamin. Own reflection. Isa lang yung pinag-uusapan na variable o na number. Halimbawa, 1 is equal to 1. Do you understand? The second property is what we call the symmetric property of equality. State that if A is equal to B, then B is equal to A. Parang ano siya? Symmetrical figure. Yung sa butterfly. Kailangan parehas yung pakpak niyan para makalipad siya ng maayos. O parang ano po yan? If A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 2 also. Therefore, we can say that if A is equal to B, then B is also equal to A. Any question? Do you understand? Okay, and the third one is what we call the transitive property of equality. This time, tatlong numbers na pinag-uusapan. Tatlong variables na. Okay, if A is equal to B and B is equal to C, then we can say that A is equal to C. O, compare natin sa tatlong tao. Tatlong lalaki na pare-parehas ang height. Kung si A ay equal yung height kay B, at si B naman ay equal yung height kay C, ibig sabihin, si A equal yung height kay C. That is transitive property of equality. The third property of equality is the addition and subtraction property of equality. State that if A is equal to B, ito po yung ating standard, o ito po yung pagbabasihan natin. If A is equal to B, magiging addition property of equality siya, anak. Kapag yung A, nag-add tayo ng C, kailangan kay letter B, mag-add ka rin ng C. Meaning, kung ano yung ginawa sa left, ganun din yung gagawin natin sa right side. Kapag nag-add tayo, pasok po siya sa addition property of equality. Ngayon, kapag nag-subtract naman tayo, saan po siya pasok? Subtraction property of equality. Nag-subtract tayo dito kay A ng C. Dapat mag-subtract ka rin kay B ng C. Do you understand? And the last property is what we call the multiplication and division property of equality. State that if A is equal to B, then A times C, dapat mag-times ka rin sa pangalawa. B times C. Ano operation ng ginawa? O, kaya multiplication property siya. Dito sa baba, nag-ano sila? Nag-divide. Kaya division property of equality. If A divided by C is equal to B divided by C.